Whether you're parking in a crowded lot or on a busy street, finding a spot doesn't have to be an ordeal. Active Parking Assist can help you identify parking spaces as you drive by and then steer the car into the space for you. When you want to park, drop your speed and press the Parking Assist button to the left of the controller on your center console. A blue Parking Assist icon will appear on the instrument cluster and the multimedia display while the system sensors begin looking for an open space. For the vehicle sensors to comprehensively survey the space, you may need to move further past the spot than you think you need to. As the vehicle senses available parking spaces, they'll appear on your multimedia display. Bring the vehicle to a full stop, select the preferred space, and follow the prompts with the touch control buttons or the controller. Active Parking Assist can then steer your vehicle into the space, but you'll still need to stay attentive to your surroundings. The system can help apply the brake and accelerator pedal, but you, as the driver, are responsible for the vehicle during the whole process. Curbs may not always be detected, so again, always stay aware of your surroundings while parking. Once you're parked, you'll be notified on the display that you should take the wheel, apply the brakes, and put the vehicle in park. Now you can turn the engine off and exit your car. When you return to your vehicle, you can also use Active Parking Assist to pull out of the space, as long as you parked using the system. To leave the space, start your car and press the Parking Assist button again. Then, choose the direction of travel and confirm the start of the process. As with parking, exiting will take control of steering, but you must be ready to brake if needed. As the driver, you're always responsible for maintaining control of the vehicle, so stay attentive. Active Parking Assist works with parallel and side-by-side spaces and will only find spots that are located between two other vehicles. With Active Parking Assist in your Mercedes-Benz, the hardest thing you have to do is decide where you want to go.